Hey, good afternoon. I'm certified meteorologist Brandon Orr. We got a few thunderstorms to deal with today, more than what we had on radar yesterday, where a lot of the thunderstorms were too far to the west. Today, they're going to be closer to us. We'll have some moving up the coast, but some of those inland ones will be a lot closer to the metro compared to what we've been used to the last couple of days. So a higher chance of rain coverage up to about 50% today. Also watching an area, now this is later this weekend to the weekend, so right around the 4th of July holiday. Hurricane Center is highlighting this area on either side of the Florida Peninsula with a 30% chance of seeing some tropical development, either a tropical depression or a tropical storm. This is higher than the 20% chances they had on this yesterday. If I've seen any trend in our computer models overnight, it's to trend this more so developing on the east side of Florida out here over the Atlantic versus the Gulf of Mexico. In that case, we'll watch as these fronts kind of die out and we'll get an area of low pressure to develop out there. But you get those converging winds on these dying fronts. It's easy to spin up a low there. This would typically move off to the north or northeast, so they'll have to watch this one closely in the Outer Banks of North Carolina. But for us, regardless of where this develops, either in the Gulf or just to the east of the Florida Peninsula, the impacts to us here in South Florida remain the same, and that's just purely a rainmaker. We'll have higher rain chances. It's going to shift the tropical moisture right on top of us. For 2 days in particular, I'm watching that could have the heaviest of the rainfall Friday into Saturday, but we could see some rain linger throughout the rest of the weekend. So trying to make some 4th of July plans, I would be prepared for a higher chance of running into some showers and thunderstorms than normal, but it's still too early to determine how many dry breaks we're going to see in between. We'll have to wait until we get somewhat closer, but definitely could be wet at times. Updates anytime on local10.com. I'll see you over there.